know exactly what I'm talking about, the fish.
Oh, I think I got it. You said you don't see dolphin often up in here?
Oh, we see them all the time.
Oh, do you? Oh.
I just slow down for y'all to get some pictures.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
When you slow down and give it a little bit of speed, they'll stay with you. May only give us about 15 minutes here, guys. If we're not catching them right here, this water's extreme. Get tired of them. They have the stomach hernia thing going on.
Oh.
So I gotta get this operation.
Thought maybe you had some back issues.
Nah. I wish it was as easy as that. There's hope. Tarpon right there.
Oh, I'm gonna get him. I'm getting one of them before we leave here.
Tarpon.
I feel it right now. This cast.
Tarpon. Tarpon. Got him right in front of us. You want to throw left of them. You know why? They're faced into the current.
Okay.
Or in front of them. You know what I mean? If you throw behind them, they'll never see it.
Good bite, Mom?
So they're going to be faced right in the current, right on this corner going in. So you just going to want to kind of come across the grain of that little rip right there. That way, that's probably the best shot you're going to have if you get a bite there at all. Lift up, lift up, lift up. That's tarpon. That's tarpon. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I got to go fast. Hold on.
Right,
Get the thing all over the line. Wind all those up. Get it out of the way. Get those rods out of the way. Yeah, wind. Turn the handle. Turn it. You might still be there. Wind.
I felt him spit.
Big ass tarpon on fuck. Bunch of them
That's
here.
the shark.
There's a bunch of them here. We'll hang here for a few minutes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you a fresh shrimp. I always
You could
tell
never
people-
get that in the boat, could you?
No, you were never going to catch him, but I wanted
We
you to
could
get
get more
behind him and
pictures.
fight him for a little bit. You never got in a picture either. The rod's too small for that.
Oh, yeah.
When I fish for tarpon, I use bigger rods, 60-pound braid. I don't use 20-pound braid.
Yeah.
I have.
That was cool. I mean, he was pulling.
You did good.
He was
That
pulling.
was good shit. I don't know. You turn the handle like that. A little trout. You wind first. That's all you do. Step over here so that hook don't come out. All fish don't lift them out of the water. You're supposed to start. Grab, hold it. Because that hook will come flying out, just bring the rod tip to me.
Okay.
That way nobody gets stuck in the hand.
Yeah.
They get bigger. Pretty much it.
Okay.
Sometimes it's not as simple as that. Sometimes it's tough everywhere. Every fish is tough. Wind. So you yanked. You want to wind first. That's it. Keep it tight. Just ladyfish. You're gonna throw the hook. There's a lot of ladyfish here. Bring him to the left and just keep him in the water. You gotta shake that hook. There you go. Can you take this rod for me, please? Get that off first.
This is fun. Yeah, this is all we need.
We're gonna take everything else so I can walk around you guys. That's right. That's perfect. I'm gonna have to be moving all around y'all.
Oh, he's spinning.
That's perfect.
I guess maybe she. Right? It's a ladyfish.
Yep. Hopefully a bunch of these son of a guns up in here. So just keep your eye on the float. You gotta get the line tight right away. Pop it, get the line tight. If it goes under, just